Hello friends, welcome back to another video on my channel, Dino Valbone. I am Chef Dino, coming to you from the beautiful central coast of California in our ranch called Wild Haven Acres. Today I have a very exciting video. We're gonna make sweet potato soup, creamy sweet potato soup. This is a great recipe for the holidays. Christmas is coming up next week, and this would be an awesome dish to make for your friends and family. What I'm going to do with my sweet potatoes before I cook it today, I'm going to roast them in a wood-burning pizza oven and give it some char and some flavor. Pre-cook it a little bit. Now, most people or some people don't have that. So what you can do is you can just use your oven and just instead of putting it in the wood-burning oven, you just use your oven to roast your sweet potatoes before we make it, okay? Simple ingredients you're gonna need, and it's just a delicious dish that goes well. It complements anything, any other dish, let it be turkey, ham, or beef. We're making sweet potato creamy soup that's going to go alongside of our Santa Maria style tri-tip made in the pizza oven. So right now I have my sweet potatoes going for a bit there with a little bit of peanut oil. And now we're gonna stir this in. We're gonna put it back in.
What are you putting in there?
There is garlic and white onions. I like white onions because they're sweet. And we have sweet potatoes and carrots. Ratio of sweet potato carrots, more sweet potato than carrots. But I find carrots give sweet potato soup a very sweet, delicious taste. All right, we're gonna go back in there. We're gonna try to give some smoky flavor to this. Our fire is rocking. Oven is at 300 degrees. I need to raise it a bit because we're going to put the tri-tip in it. These potatoes are going to come out of the oven and go in to be made into yummy soup. We got our oven rocking at about 450 degrees. I checked the temperature on this just a bit ago. It's about 115, 16, 20. I think at this point we're going to take it out. We're going to put an aluminum foil over it, put it in the oven, set at 125, and just let it slow cook, finish at that temperature. All right, and meanwhile what we're going to do is we're going to make our sweet potato soup. I'll meet you back in the kitchen and I'll show you how I do that with our roasted sweet potatoes and carrots. All right, so we have our tri-tip in the oven, 200 degree, keeping warm and settling in. Here what we have is a pan which we made some bacons. Yes, bacons. If you can get thick cut bacon, it's the best for this. We're going to use the bacon, we're going to crumble it on top of the soup with some parsley. Anyway, so here's the remnants, here's the proteins, the juice, the yummy stuff. I'm getting this warmed up a bit, and now we are going to introduce our roasted. Look at how these guys got roasted in the pizza oven, and they have the smoky flavor. We're gonna add this right here. Stainless steel, I love it. That's why I cook with stainless steel only. Don't like the Teflon stuff. I'll use it when it's proper, but I'll rarely use Teflon coated. Stainless steel is the way to go. Actually, these pots and pans are over 25 years old, maybe 30. They're Wolfgang Puck. At least 20 years old, yeah. Yeah, these pots and pans are older than me.
So the Wolfgang Costco.
Costco. We used to be Price Club. All right, so we're gonna let this go, come up in temperature, and then once that happens, guess what we got here? What do you think that is?
It looks like butter, but I know
Looks
it's
like
not.
popsicle. Oh, it's not butter, it's chicken stock. It's how right here. Yeah. So chicken stock, I have a video how I make this. I don't want to get video-y on this, but that's what that is, and we're gonna use it. Okay, we're gonna let this go a little bit, cook the sweet potatoes and carrots a little further, and then we'll be back. We're gonna deglaze the pan and move on from there. The carrots and the sweet potatoes are almost there. We did most of the cooking here, putting it in the pizza oven just was to give it some smoky flavor. And now we're gonna bring in our chicken stock. Isn't that beautiful? And you can use it to deglaze your pan. I would have the heat up right now because you don't want to cool things down. So if you can do this when it's really, really, really hot, you'll get best results. Check it out. And this is chicken stock we made from chickens, the whole chicken that we broke down. So imagine right now you will be in the hole for about $4 or $5 for this chicken stock. But it's happening all for 33 cents. All right, we're gonna let that go. Once that melts, we can add water as needed. We'll be back and I'll show you what I do next. All right, for this next part, you're gonna put your apron on because you might get a little splattered. So here we got the sweet potatoes and carrots going with onions, garlic. I added some salt and pepper in there. You can do it to taste. This is our pan we had out in the pizza oven. Obviously you can see I added water to it, okay? So we have one of the blocks of chicken stock, bone style, and we have added some water. Now what we're gonna do is use our immersion blender to blend this. And the trick to this is, actually I'm going to put the temperature down. The trick to doing this without getting splattered is to have this completely submerged. Okay, if you do it that way, you won't get splattered. But here we go. I have my apron on and we're gonna rock and roll. So the trick is to do that.
Don't tilt it.
Yeah. Do that. Work your way around. There you go. Because the big chunks can't get through the little openings there.
If you don't have an immersion blender, you can probably put all of this in a food processor.
Probably a smarter thing to do.
But it's hot, so you have to
You have to let it cool down. But here we go. So remember, we're gonna add some, you can either add coconut milk or half and half. Today we're gonna add half and half. I think we might need to add a little bit, maybe more moisture to it. I'm gonna finish up pureeing this and we'll be back. So we have our stove at simmer, just barely heating it. This was bubbling. This is the time to add half and half or coconut milk. Add a little bit at a time. Get it to the consistency you like. You don't want to overcook this. You want to just get it to be perfectly. Yeah. Look at that. We've already tasted this and I tell you, it is just incredible. Look at that creaminess of that soup. It's gonna go really well with our red oak pizza oven grilled tri-tip. All right, we'll be back plating this with the tri-tip and see how everything turned out. Oh my God, delicious. So our soup is ready. And here we're ready to carve our tri-tip. Check that out. We already ate the little piece there. I'm gonna slice these for you. Some may say it's a little overdone, but I say it's perfect for us. It's just how you prefer it. But look at the juice. Look at the juice that's oozing out of there, okay? We're gonna serve this just on the side by itself with a nice bowl of soup. Oh yeah, look at that. Part is done. Shape it up to be just perfect. All right, I'm not gonna slice all of it. I don't wanna dehydrate it. That's more than we're gonna eat. Yeah, tri-tip, Dino Val bone style Santa Maria herb in a pizza oven. I'll come right back and we're gonna plate our soup and then chow down and enjoy. Got our soup ready. You can, choose the consistency by adding water. I kind of like it like this. Sweet potatoes, carrots, a hint of bacon, garlic, onion. You just can't have enough of this. And then we're gonna take our bacon bits. Just gonna crumble some on top. You can leave the fat out if you like. Let's get the lean part. That's what we do. So this is not altogether a keto diet, but it's pretty close. All right, so we got our soup, we got our tri-tip. We're gonna plate it, we're gonna eat it, we're gonna enjoy it. Like and subscribe if you've been following me. You know I love cooking. Live, laugh, love. Can't wait to dig into this. I'll see you in my next video.